everybody, welcome back to Veganuary Day 8.
Good job.
I got it, right?
Yep.
Alright, today we're going to do something a little bit different. It's not going to be a recipe or anything. I'm going to talk about, because you guys always ask, who I watch on YouTube that's vegan. So I have quite a few vegan channels that I've watched over the years. I'm going to talk about the ones that I'm currently watching. Okay, the very first vegan YouTuber or YouTubers that I was watching when I first went vegetarian about 8 years ago was the Vegan Zombie.
Woo!
It was two guys back then. It was John and Chris, and John has gone off to do his own thing. I think he's working at an animal sanctuary now. Part-time anyway, at least, and he's looking to open up his own animal sanctuary in the future. But Chris is still at the Vegan Zombie. He's based out of Syracuse, New York. A lot of great vegan recipes. They have a vegan zombie cookbook. He does a lot of traveling. I really enjoy watching his travel videos where he goes to different vegan restaurants across the country. It's very interesting. When they did their tour for the cookbook, they went to Germany and it was amazing. So if you want to see some old school vegan touring in Europe, go check out the earlier videos from their channel. Really fantastic. Also from Syracuse, New York, No Egg Craig. I'm new to his channel. I've only been watching for a month or so. His parents have a candy company. I guess it's the whole family's candy company up in Syracuse, New York. Hercules Chocolates, I think is the name of it. Very interesting. I like channels that have vlogs as well as like recipes, because I'm really into like the reality TV kind of, well, but this is more real life than reality TV, because we all know that's fake, isn't it? So I like family stories as well. So I really enjoy No Egg Craig. He's moving in with his girlfriend next month, so I'm looking forward to upcoming double vegan videos, because she is a vegan as well. So very exciting. Don't worry about trying to find these people. All of the links to their channels will be in the info box. Another channel I've been watching for a very long time, High Carb Hannah. I've been watching when High Carb Hannah was a single girl. She met Derek from Canada. They met on the internet. He moved to the United States. They got married. They sold her house in, I think it was Michigan or Minnesota, I can't remember, something with an M. One of those Midwest states with an M up there. And they moved down to Arizona, built a tiny house. My husband even watches the tiny house videos. Very good. So she's got a lot of weight loss tips on there if you're interested in losing weight, being a vegan. She's not necessarily that high carb. Well, I guess she is high carb still, but she's added more fats into her diet, which is good, because you really should not be completely low fat. You should have healthy fats in there, not processed fats. So I really like her channels. There's his channel, her channel, and I think she has a new channel called High Vibe Hannah, which is more lifestyle in a way, you know, like meditation type stuff and relationship type stuff. Speaking of relationships, another channel that I like to watch is Happy Healthy Vegan, and that is a couple from California. Everybody compares these two to the Portlandia couple.
Yes.
They are so much fun to watch. I love the food that they cook. The husband, I can't remember his name right now. It's not coming to me. Oh, darn it. He's so good. He does a lot of debunking videos on vegan health. I just love the two of them together. They're great. Alright, now this one is nutritionfacts.org, and this is Dr. Michael Greger's channel. He also has a website, nutritionfacts.org. He's got all of the studies. He wrote a book. He wrote a cookbook, which I just got for, in December. Fantastic. He's got all of the research laid out there. Love it. Alright, now the next one is one that has not been posting in a while, but I have been watching them and I'm eagerly awaiting any more posts that they put up. It's called The Kale Sandwich Show. I got tipped off to this channel when I was watching Mommy Tang. If any of you Mommy Tang watchers out there, leave it in the comments. Mommy Tang had the best mukbangs. Love her. But she hasn't been posting lately, so I haven't really been watching too much of her. But the Kale Sandwich Show, they had a lot of great restaurant-y, at-home type recipes. They used to work at a restaurant. They've since gone vegan, and they have adapted a lot of their recipes for at-home and vegan. So I really like them. They're very quirky. They always say, keep on veganing at the end of their videos. We all have our quirks, don't we?
Yeah.
I like them. They're very quirky. And they actually say that they're a little weird when they start their videos, so I like that. Alright, this is one I'm fairly new to. It's called Alex and Maddie. I love watching UK vegan vloggers. They just started up their vlog channel, I think, a few months ago. She had her own channel, Madeline Olivia. She had lifestyle, recipes, minimalism. Her boyfriend Alex just quit his job and decided to do vlogging full time. They were vlogging when they were traveling across Asia, Canada. Now they're back in the UK. They did Vlogmas. It was really good. Hopefully they'll be starting up for the new year as well. They've been on a 2-week hiatus, so I'm looking forward to their videos. Another UK vlogger that I like is Naomi Smart. She has a cookbook. She's fantastic. She's very down to earth. She's also, I call her a classy minimalist. She's not like...
What does that mean?
That means she still enjoys nice things, but in a minimal way. You know what I mean? Like some minimalists...
So like a few nice things.
A few nice things, but you might have a couple of extra nice things. Like strict minimalists are like, well, you're one person, so you need like one fork, one knife, one spoon.
Right, yeah.
She's like an editing minimalist. Like you can still have 3 blankets instead of just one. You know what I mean? So I really like her. I like her recipes. I like her sensibilities. Next up, Family Fizz. I've been following these guys for at least a year. They are a vegan family in Brighton right now. They had like sold everything that they owned and moved to the Gran Canaria and were living there for about 6 months and then decided to come back to the UK, and now they're in Brighton. She's pregnant with her 3rd child, and it's very exciting. I've never really followed a vegan pregnancy before, so it's really interesting that she's raising her kids vegan. She's having this pregnancy vegan. Her and her husband are really into fitness, and they are also very minimal. So I really enjoy them a lot.
Aren't Alex and Maddie also in Brighton?
Yes.
Brighton is poppin'.
Brighton, actually, Hove. Hove is like the center of Brighton, like where they have the wharf and everything, I think. So, but Brighton is also, there's another town that's next to Brighton that's also considered like that Brighton section. I don't know. Another UK, now he's not a vlogger, he is a chef, avant-garde vegan. He makes absolutely beautiful food that's not like terrible for you. Like a lot of the vegan community online, it's a lot of vegan junk food, like the really good looking food, because I mean plain vegan food is like rice and beans, but once you start getting into like fried, and he makes beautiful food that's not terrible for you. So that's what I really appreciate him. His recipes are absolutely a feast for the eyes as well as the taste. I've made quite a few of his recipes. I've gotten a lot of inspiration from him. He makes a beautiful plate. He just came out with a cookbook. I think it's available for pre-order. 100 vegan recipes in there. It's beautiful. Hot for food. This is Lauren Toyota from Canada. She used to be an MTV personality up there. I think she was actually even on Degrassi.
Oh my god.
As a cameo.
You know you've made it if you were on Degrassi in Canada.
Absolutely. Absolutely. She used to have this channel with her boyfriend. They just recently broke up, so I don't know what's going to happen with this channel. She also has a cookbook that has, it's ready, but it's not out yet. It hasn't been dropped yet, but you can order it. A lot of vegan people are coming out with their cookbooks this coming year. Hot for Food, I think it's like 120-ish recipes. Kind of vegan junk food. I get a lot of inspiration, but I try and make things that are a little bit healthier. She does a lot of frying. I'm not all about that life. I like baking better than frying, so.
When's your cookbook coming out?
Hopefully soon. I don't think we'll be having a cookbook on Amazon right away, but possibly an ebook this coming year.
Get on it.
Alright, now this is a real hipster. Joseph Lincoln. I just started watching him probably about 6 months ago. He is out of Massachusetts. He makes veganism fun and quirky. He's on a budget. He also does a lot of traveling. He just did a road trip from Massachusetts all the way across the United States to California and back. He stopped at all the hot spots. He's a lot of fun. I like him. I like his cat. Come on, if you're a vegan, there's got to be a cat in your life somewhere, right? It's pretty much a given. I really like him. He's got great friends, too, that are usually on his food vlogs. A lot of fun. But the most fun of all, who unfortunately hasn't been putting up many videos lately.
She's busy with school.
Yeah, she just started, she went back to college, so good for her. She's interested in being like a future Jane Goodall type.
You want to say who it is?
It's Kalel! She is the preeminent vegan on YouTube. It's like, oh, Kalel? Yes. Yes, queen!
Kalel is my favorite YouTuber because we're pretty close in age, and she was actually one of my inspirations when I decided to go vegan, because I was like, hey, she can do it.
Yeah.
I can do this too.
She's amazing. She's got the connection. She's on the pulse there in LA. She's got, I love to watch when she goes out to eat to the restaurants to see what's available, because in our little town here, we don't have those things.
I know we don't.
So
I want a veggie grill.
I know, it's nice. I want by Chloe. Come on. I want those things here, but it's nice to live vicariously through her and her LA lifestyle out there. So those are my, I guess that's what, about 13 or 14 vegan YouTubers that I watch. Guys, let me know who your favorites are. Who do you watch on a weekly basis? Leave it in the comments. I'd really like to know, because I'm always looking to add more inspiration to my vegan life. So let us know. Hope Veganuary is going good. Let us know if you need any encouragement and what type of videos you'd like to see for the rest of Veganuary. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any, and hit the notifications bell so you can know right away when we upload. And until next time, much love.